Great. For the next 15 seconds, keep doing, let's listen to my voice. Keep doing what you're doing. Now just take glances at the other actor just to make sure you know what their world looks like, so you don't walk through walls or tables or objects. You could repeat things just to show. Take glances while you work. You're doing great. And when you're ready, only when you're ready, don't rush this, you could begin to add dialogue.
Hey, do you know if there's something wrong with the score machine on this? Because I've gotten like 6 500s and it's showing like 20 points. 6 500s.
I see no tickets coming out of your little face, so you did not get 6 500s.
Are you certain that the sensors are correct?
You know,
You can go over in each other's worlds. Yeah.
yeah.
Here, come with me and why don't I show you, okay? Okay, so I pick up the ball, I do my routine, I spit on it, I polish it, all that jazz, and then I get ready, and then I roll it, and you see? Lands right in 500.
Lands right in 10, yes.
That says 500. It says 500.
You know, these things, they sometimes...
Climb up the machine. Climb up it. You're going to climb. Yeah, get up there. Everyone's starting to look at you. Everyone's looking at you. You're in the machine.
I'm in the machine. Like, you see, when you give a great, you gotta smack it one or... So, you see... Oh, see, there's the ball. Watch.
Okay.
500.
Wow, that was
And
fantastic.
here comes the tickets. To the ticket booth. Yes. Where you need to purchase anything with this 500 amount of tickets.
Oh my gosh. I've always wanted a Super Soaker DX.
Freeze. Stay in character. Just listen to my voice. So everything you established about this scene has been established. You're not going to create anything new. Your characters, everything is wonderful. Louis is going to start a ballad. You've just, Maz, declared you've always wanted this. You're going to start this ballad. Raven, you're just going to listen. I'll coach you when you respond, okay?
Right.
But you could come to life in your character, but you're just listening, okay? Listen to Louis. Listen, Maz. You can come back to life, Maz.
The Super Soaker DX was the thing I've wanted since youth. My father had one, for he lost it in the war. And yet, with these 500 winnings, I'm one ticket short. Hope that one day I can my soul.
You can come right in, Raven. Respond.
How much tickets do you have?
279.
Sir, you need about 500 more.
My darn glasses aren't working again.
It's okay. Just go back and play some more.
It's okay. I'll go back and play some more.
Please don't quit the day job.
Don't worry. My dad told me that too.
Back to dialogue, right there. Back to dialogue.
Okay.
Yeah, he wasn't very supportive of my professional
That's your dream too, Raven.
That's my dream too. Yes. I work at that ticket.
Show him, bring him
I
over.
worked at that ticket booth for about 12 years now. I know I have what I got. I know.
You're gonna sing it. You're gonna sing it, Raven. Sing what you got. Listen.
I got my way across this arcade. I know I can be good at it. I find my tickets on the ground in the Stairmatic, and I know how to find my way. It's my way.
Back to dialogue.
My way.
Back to dialogue. Last bit.
You will find your way.
I've got an idea. What if we found our way together?
Blackout.